Vata, the constitutional energy that governs movement and shake things up. In Ayurveda, it is believed that each of us is a unique blend of three energies, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. Vata is known for its qualities of lightness, dryness, and coldness, like a crisp winter morning. When we have too much Vata, things can get a bit chaotic. Joint pain, anxiety, and insomnia can rear their ugly heads. But when we balance our Vata, we tap into our inner creativity, flexibility, and vitality. So let's give a little love to our Vata, shake things up, and find a flow. Well, is ketosis safe? The short answer is yes, but only if you're not a pregnant liver patient with an eating disorder. In other words, if you're a healthy person who follows a well formulated low carb diet, you're good to go. However, just because you're in ketosis doesn't mean you can eat all the bacon you want and magically shed those pounds. Ketosis is a bit like wearing your favorite pair of shoes, comfortable for most people but not for everyone. Ketosis can be safe and effective for weight loss as long as it's done right under the guidance of a healthcare professional. However, if you have a history of liver or pancreatic disease, are pregnant, or have a past of eating disorder, you might want to give ketosis a pass. Just like that old pair of shoes, it's important to keep an eye on ketosis for the long haul. We still don't know what effects it could have in the health in the future. So, is there a ninth planet in the solar system? Well, it depends on who you ask. Some scientists believe there is, while others say it's just a myth, like unicorns or affordable housing. But hey, let's not give up hope. Maybe one day we'll discover that elusive ninth planet and it'll be just as cool as Pluto. Or maybe it'll be a disappointment. Like that one time we found out that the unicorn in the forest was just a horse with a traffic cone inside. Either way, the search for Planet 9 continues. But for now, we'll have to stick with the 8 planets. Sorry, Planet 9 enthusiasts, we don't have actual evidence of it yet. It's like searching for a needle in a haystack, but the haystack is the entire solar system. And trust me, it's a really big haystack. So until we have solid proof, let's just stick with what we know. 8 awesome planets in a cosmic neighborhood. So why is Pluto not a planet anymore? Well, the answer is simple. It just didn't clear its room. You know how your mom always tells you to clean up your room? Well, apparently the International Astronomical Union has the same rule for planets. A planet must orbit the Sun, be spherical in shape, and clear the neighborhood around its orbit of any other debris. Pluto just didn't follow the rules and kept sharing its orbit with the celestial objects in the Kuiper belt. So, it got downgraded to a dwarf planet, which is basically the participation trophy of the celestial world. Sorry, Pluto, you just didn't make the cut. But don't worry, Pluto, we still love you. Well. Can stone melt? This is a question that has puzzled humankind for centuries. And the answer is, drumroll please, it depends. You see, most stones are like my heart, solid and unyielding. They can't be melted into a liquid state at a room temperature. But if you heat them up enough, like the temperature of a dragon's breath or a volcanic eruption, some stones can become molten. So if you're thinking about making a stone soup or creating a lava flow in your backyard, you might want to think again. Most stones don't melt easily, and even those that do need some pretty extreme conditions to get there. And trust me, you don't want to mess with the melted stone. It's hot, sticky, and probably not very tasty. So let's just stick to grilling burgers on the barbecue, shall we? Subscribe.